So I've owned this Ikea Markus chair for about 2 years, and about 3 months ago it started squeaking and it's really annoying at night. So after trying to find something to fix it, I couldn't find any. So I think let's just take it apart. So after taking it apart, I already fixed it, but I want to show you how I fixed it. Here is one of the place where you lubricate. This is just WD-40. If you have better lubricant, for example, I have my bike lubricant, which is also good. So you want to clean this with WD-40 here first. I'll pretend I'm spraying, but you know what I'm doing. And also this is a point. This spring really creates a lot of squeaking. See the spring here, because it's under a lot of tension. And also this is the spring that controls the tension by this knob. So I think what I did was lubricating all 3 points here, and then I think the squeaking is completely gone. Let me show you. See, no matter how hard push this, there's no squeak. Yeah, so I hope you find this useful. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.